Hi, I'm Anthony Johnson, the owner of driveJohnson's driving school, and I'm doing this video today for you because a staff member came to me a couple of weeks ago with an email inquiry that come through, and she was struggling to respond to it. And the email was this exactly. So it was, hi, I'm looking at booking with driveJohnson's. However, I've had a bad experience with an online booking agent. How do I know you aren't a booking agent? And my staff members struggled to respond to this. And in short words, so did I. So hence why I'm doing this video. So firstly, let's talk about a booking agent. What is a booking agent? So a booking agent is someone like booking.com. And booking.com is a service that basically compares hotels and helps the user narrow in and find what they're looking for quicker. And often their prices can be cheaper than sometimes the hotels. Now booking.com is very different to a driving school booking agent, but just to help you understand a little bit more about a booking agent, I'll talk about booking.com first, so you can then relate to a driving school booking agent and compare the difference. So booking.com, you are looking for a hotel in Spain. So first thing you do is you type in Spain, the dates, then press search. Then you choose beachfront, mainland, whether you want to be next to a particular city, 4-star, 5-star, 1-star, bed and breakfast, swimming pool. And then it narrows into the hotel or the hotels that you're looking for, and then you can choose and flick through the pictures and choose which hotel perhaps suits you. Now, the difference between booking.com and a driving school booking agent is you don't have that freedom of choice. With a driving school booking agent, you'll pay them a fee, usually a lump sum, and after you've paid them a fee, they will try to match you with an instructor. And I've received texts myself before saying, hi Anthony, we have a pupil in this particular area, can you take them on at this price, blah blah blah. And they don't know me, and they don't know probably the other 200 instructors they've just texted. But what they're desperate to do is try and pair you as quickly as they can to an instructor so they can make some money. Now the problem for you is unlike booking.com, you haven't got a choice. On booking.com you can, just to compare, you can say, look, I want a female instructor, or I want a male instructor, I want a reliable instructor, someone that's enthusiastic, or someone that's, pushes me and wants to get on with it, or I don't want to be pushed too much because I'm a nervous learner and I want to go at my own pace. These are all little choices that you should have when you book your driving lessons, and unfortunately with booking agents you're not going to get that. Now with driveJohnson's, obviously you will. We listen to your requirements over the phone, and if you booked online we'll call you up and find out your requirements again. And we want to know, what your circumstances are, how long you've been driving, what are your goals, how soon do you want to pass, whereabouts do you live, what college are you at, where are you working, where do you want to be picked up from, where do you want to be dropped off at, do you have any illnesses, do you have anything that we need to take into consideration in when we choose your instructor for you. And then what we'll do is we'll choose you an instructor based on all of those sort of questions. And the beauty for you is we know who the instructor is because the instructor's been working with us for years. Whereas with the driving school booking agents, these instructors are independent, and they'll take a pupil from the booking agent maybe once a month, or when they need it, or when they're desperate. And the reason why they won't work with booking agents all the time is because they get paid less. So let's say an instructor in London is normally charging £26, £27 an hour. When they get referred a pupil from the booking agent, they'll get £22 or £23 an hour. So the booking agent is making money on that pupil that they've sent to the instructor. And you can often tell the difference between a booking agent and an actual driving school just by looking at their social media. Have they got lots of past pictures with the roof signs of the driving school on? You can also look at their website and look at if they got a list of instructors, have they got a profile on the instructors? So if you can click around on the booking agent's websites and you can see a list of instructors, then that's a good sign. Plus, not just a list of instructors, but their credentials, how long they've been with the company, that sort of stuff. Then that will be a good sign that they're not a booking agent, or they're different to the type of booking agent I'm talking about. But for the ones I know, you're not going to have that choice. Now lastly, if you do choose a booking agent, think of it like Uber. So Uber's got a great concept and it works well for taxis. Now the difference is if you have a ropey taxi journey from your house to work, and the driver's driving a little bit erratic or driving too fast and sounding his horn or whatever, and it's cost you £10, at the end of the journey, how many people would call up and complain? It's just you've got there in one piece. If you book with them again, maybe you'd ask for a different taxi driver, but you're at work now, it's not a big deal. However, if you're learning to drive, it's completely different. The service for a taxi journey is very short term, and let's be honest, if you're getting a Mercedes that's brand new, or a Toyota Avensis that's 15 years old, as long as you get to work on time, most people wouldn't complain. However, if you compare an instructor that's the class of a Mercedes compared to an instructor that's the class of a 15-year-old Toyota Avensis, and you're spending 40 hours with that instructor, you're gonna be sensing that you're wasting your money. Maybe you're not learning so quickly. Maybe they haven't got your interests at heart. I'm not saying 15-year-old Toyota Avensis are always bad, but most people would rather have a brand new Mercedes or the quality of a Mercedes. And so that's sort of the best way of sort of comparing, really, is when you're learning to drive, it's basically a skill that you're going to learn for life, and also you have a test at the end of it which you want to pass. And if you spend 40 hours with an instructor you don't like and you fail, one, you're going to be out of pocket. Two, you might be disillusioned, disheartened. It might put you off wanting to learn to drive. So for the sake of choosing a company that perhaps cares and's got lots of past pictures and got all of their instructors on their website, that, for most people would be their preferred choice. But the problem is they don't know the difference. And that's why I've done this video for you today. So I hope this video has helped you make an informal choice. The booking agents I'm talking about, as I say, I haven't found one that displays all of their instructors and their profiles and has past pictures everywhere, etc. And often they just appear as driving schools online, but you've got to do your homework a little bit more. And if they're saying they're going to pay you in 24 hours or they can't tell you the name of the instructor, then I would be very careful about booking with them.